Welcome to my channel, friends. Hope you all are doing well. Let me brief you about today's recipe, which is one of the favorite of every Goan, that is dry prawns kismor or sungtachi kismor. This kismor serves a great complement with simple rice and fish curry. So let's dive into the recipe and see how it is made. Here I have taken a pan and I'll be adding in this 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once the oil is heated very well, I'll be adding half a cup of clean dry prawns. I've removed the head and the tail part of it. Roast the prawns till it becomes crisp and golden brown in color. Next I have taken a bowl and in that I'll be adding 1 cup grated coconut. Then I'll be adding 1 medium sized onion chopped finely. Then I'll be adding little coriander leaves also chopped finely. Then I have taken 1 small raw mango and diced it into a small pieces, and that I'll be adding into the mixture. Give it a mix and combine all the ingredients very well. At this point you can also add green chili finely chopped if you feel so. Next I'll be adding roasted dry prawns into this. And now give it a nice mix and let all the ingredients be well incorporated. Now I'll be adding salt as per taste. I usually use the pink Himalayan salt. You can use any salt of your choice. Mixing it again. Here I have taken 3 tablespoons of tamarind juice or the paste. For this I have taken lemon science tamarind and I have put it into a hot water for about 10 minutes and I have extracted a pulp out of it. Give it a nice mix. Next I have again heated a pan. In that I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. In this I'll be adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. In goes 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder just for color. Mix it very well and see that you don't burn the spices. Give it a mix for just for a second and then add the tadka into the mixture. Since the tadka is hot, I'll be mixing it with the spatula. Then use your hands to nicely to mix all the ingredients very well so that the flavor will be more enhanced. Here I am placing a small bowl in the center of the mixture. Here I have taken a small charcoal and I will be heating the charcoal till it becomes red and hot. Then keep the charcoal in a small bowl that you placed earlier into the mixture. Here I am pouring in little oil on top of the charcoal. I have used the coconut oil. Close the lid and for about 5 to 6 minutes and let the smoky flavor get absorbed by the kismor. After 5 to 6 minutes, open the lid and remove the small bowl. Give the kismor a gentle mix. and your spicy and little tangy dry prawns kismore is ready to be served. Enjoy this recipe with your family and friends, and do let me know in the comment section below how you all liked it. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you for watching.